Hey guys, and welcome back to Number 9 Farms. I'm going to be also making today, I'm going to be making some baked beans, and I'm going to show you how I do it. And everybody where I go loves these baked beans, so I guess they're pretty good. And they're simple. And I use the Bush's Best. And anybody want to add that little comment in?
Roll that beautiful bean footage. We need to get Sophia in here to do it.
So, first off, I use 2 cans. I got the 13 by 9 pan out of the glass pan. Boy, this one doesn't want to come out. Okay, and 13 by 9. And you want to turn on your oven. I'll say 375 here because you're gonna let these bake for an hour until like the sides get real nice and bubbly and crisp. You're gonna need to grease your pan because they do like to stick. And I never use those spray aerosol ones except for a cake or something, because honestly that you really have to have them for that. At least some of those pans. All right, so that's all you do there. And now I go ahead and mix in the onions that I've already chopped up in my little fancy pool chopper. And I add ketchup, and like I said, I'm not a measurer, you know, so I just wing it. Put a little bit of brown sugar, and you could use honey now. You don't have to use brown sugar. This is what I've been doing my whole life. I've made more baked beans than probably I've canned something. I don't know. There's a lot of and then I just sprinkle some pepper out and stir this in. And I call my little Brosy in to see because he likes to sample it. And this one I can see already has a little bit more mustard. But you see how easy it is. Like, you can't go wrong with it. Except when you add too much mustard, right? You just add a little more ketchup.
We like mustard, so.
You just add a little bit more ketchup. So, oh, and then I also sometimes put in some barbecue sauce if there's like this little.
And some bacon.
Yeah, well, I haven't got there yet. Okay. You let me bake. You let me cook.
I'll do the eating, you do the cooking.
Huh?
I'll do the eating, you do the cooking.
Okay. Some kind of barbecue sauce, whatever you have. Just a little bit in there, and just gives it a little kick, a little extra flavor.
Looks delicious.
Oh yeah. All right, Dusty. Dusty. All right, I'll have to go get him. No.
I can't even be the guinea pig.
Yes, it's a tester.
I need a tester. Can't even be the tester.
You're still recording?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you're supposed to stop it.
Oh my goodness. Let's
All
get
right.
the tester. Come on, tester. Tell us let's see.
Tell us if it's done. Pretty good.
All right.
All right.
Met
That's
Dusty's approval, so we're good to go.
Yeah, Dusty's my GP. And then you just pour it in. And your oven is on. And I do 375 for about an hour. But like I said, everybody's oven is different, so you'll know what is best for your oven. Apparently my mother didn't.
Yeah, she burned it. You better practice up before we get
We
there.
love you, Nancy.
Yeah, practice up. I don't want that burnt lasagna.
Oh yeah, and then I add, you don't have to do this part, but a lot of times I'll have a little bit of extra bacon. You can chop it up and put it in there. You could cook it beforehand, but I usually just lay some right on top. And that way it adds a little bit of flavor to it. And that is it. Throw it in the oven. Okay, here we go. This is it. Done. No, the bottom one, Rosie. The top one doesn't have a very good door, and I got to put a new Reynolds wrap down for the lasagna week. Okay, guys, we'll be back when it's done. Guys, look at those bubbles coming out. This is, and it changes like a different color, and then you'll know it's done. Your bacon, the bacon's getting crunchy on top, crispy. Hey guys, so I'm taking the baked beans out of the oven. I turn the oven off at exactly an hour, and I let them sit for maybe 30 minutes. And here we go. Looky there.
Wow.
See what I mean by changing the colors?
Beautiful.
Okay, guys, now we're just waiting for the taste test.